If you want to turn off the Discord overlay on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to disable it step by step, so you can stop Discord from appearing on top of your games. This is really useful if the overlay is causing performance issues, visual clutter, or you simply don't want pop-ups while gaming. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into Discord. First, open the Discord desktop app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use multiple accounts or servers. Once Discord is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the user area there, and right beside it is the settings icon. Click that settings icon to open your user settings menu. Now that you're in settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Game Overlay. Click on Game Overlay to open the overlay settings. This section controls whether Discord can appear while you're playing games. Once you're on the Game Overlay page, you'll see a toggle option called Enable Overlay. By default, this may be switched on. To disable Discord Overlay, simply click the toggle to turn it off. When it's disabled, Discord will no longer display the in-game overlay on your screen. That's really all there is to it. If you ever want to turn the overlay back on later, you can return to the same settings page and switch Enable Overlay back on again. But if your goal is to keep things clean and distraction-free while gaming, leaving it off is the best option. I hope this tutorial made it easy to disable Discord Overlay on your PC. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Discord guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.